Hey guys, what's up? Guess who's back in the building? Of course, you said it. It's your girl Cooking with Tammy. I am back, guys. Yes, I am. Oh my goodness, it's been a long while. I know it has been. I know I can hear you guys yelling at me. I've read some of you guys' comments, and you're basically like asking, where the hell are you? We need you back in the kitchen. So here I am, guys. I am back today with a delicious recipe. Today I'm going to share with you how to make, since it's pumpkin season, apple cinnamon pumpkin French toast. Oh my goodness, with a Decadent praline sauce. Yes, guys, sounds amazing, right? Anyway, without further ado, let's jump right on into it. And as I'm preparing this lovely breakfast, or should I say brunch, I would definitely tune you guys in, or, you know, basically let you guys know where I've been, okay? All right. Anyway, to start, we are gonna use eggs. This recipe definitely calls for 4 eggs. Let me get this out the way. So how have you guys been? Trust me, I missed you guys. Yes, I have. I definitely missed you guys. But to be honest with you, your girl has been busy, obviously. Busy getting involved with so many different things, so many different ventures. Thank you so much. I started like literally, what, maybe 4 or 5 other channels. Well, they're not all my channels, to be honest with you. They're my family's channels. My kids all started a channel, including my husband. So yeah, I had to, like, you know, help get everything off the ground and stuff. And, you know, we've been, you know, showing them the ropes and stuff, working together to kind of, you know, put things together. So all of that YouTube, guys, if you didn't know, it takes a lot of time and dedication and hard work, sleepless nights. I know when you guys see these videos, you're like, you know, you think because you're watching a 10 or 15-minute video is nothing to it. But it takes a lot of time, trust me. Sometimes if you get like I would say a 10 or 15-minute video, that video might initially have been like 40 minutes, but it's just that, you know, by the time we edit it and, you know, do different stuff, it might take it down to maybe about 10, 15 minutes. But yeah, everything is time consuming. And then I've been getting involved with different stuff as well. Anyway, so far, I have 4 eggs in this bowl. I'm gonna add some sugar. And all recipe details, as far as measurements, will be on my website, cookingwithtammy.recipes, as well as some pumpkin spice. Refreshing. The aroma is just amazing, as well as some nutmeg and some ground cinnamon. Gotta have those spices, as well as some pure vanilla extract. And a pinch of salt, which is going to tie everything together. It works as a really good contrast agent when it comes to using it with sugar. It brings out it just works really well together. It ties everything together. And I am also going to add my half and half. And of course, because it's fall season, the star of the show, our pure pumpkin puree. And we are going to combine all of these smelling good ingredients. We're going to combine it all together. They smell so good. I gotta be honest, guys, I know most people, they only use, like, for instance, like pumpkin spice and ground cinnamon and nutmeg and that sort of stuff, like during, you know, during the fall season, October months, you know, November and so on and so forth, and sometimes December. But your girl, pretty much, I love my house smelling good. And I love good tasting foods and stuff. So I pretty much use these spices like literally throughout the year. I gotta be honest, because I just love how it smells. The aroma is just so amazing. I'm gonna give everything a good stir, make sure everything is well combined. I know you guys miss me, trust me, I missed you too. It's just, and to be honest with you, time flies. Oh my goodness. Like, you set out to work on certain stuff and you don't think that it's gonna take so long, but it just does. Everything is just so time consuming. All right, I think we're good. This custard looks pretty good. Can you guys see it? It's not too runny. It is not too thick. Just try to balance this right here. Okay. And I am gonna cut into my apple cinnamon brioche bread. Now, here's the thing, guys. You can use regular brioche bread. I like to use brioche bread when it comes to making French toast. You can always use Texas toast as well. I have a recipe on my channel using just regular Texas toast. Yeah, I do. But it's something about the brioche bread, guys. Oh my goodness. Because it's made with eggs. I'm just going to cut pretty fat slices. Because it's made with eggs and so on and so forth. And I think butter and milk. It's just something about the texture. Once you go brioche, you're not gonna go back to regular bread. Trust me when it comes to making French toast. It is just so delicious. Not to mention you can eat this bread by itself, yes. And it's so good, so tasty. All right, I think I've cut enough slices. And I am gonna take the first slice. But prior to doing that, guys, I'm gonna add some butter to my grill. And a little Pam cooking spray for reassurance. Thank you. Get this grill buttered up, baby. Buttered up. Here. I don't want nothing sticking, all right? Nothing. Everything has to glide on and will actually glide off when I'm ready to take it off. All right, we're gonna dip our thickly sliced bread into our custard mix and we're gonna place it right onto our grill, or should I say our skillet. Look at how beautiful. So beautiful. And the smell is amazing. Cut into this just a little bit more. Guys, you gotta try brioche bread. And the good thing about it is, like I said, it comes in different flavors. So they don't just have regular brioche anymore. They have, put it right here. They have apple cinnamon. I know they have buns, like burger buns, and even hot dog buns, as a matter of fact. Yep, brioche is taking over. Taking over. You like that Brooklyn accent, right? Native New Yorker. Or should I say you guys' favorite sauce? It's so saucy. You guys are too much. I see you guys in the comment section talking about me and the way how I pronounce sauce. It's all good. It's all good. Yep, New Yorkers have such a distinctive accent, right? All right, we're gonna raise the heat up to about 350. Get this thing going. Take a peek, be nosy and take a peek. All right, it's not ready yet, but it will be in a couple minutes. So yeah, we're gonna allow it to pretty much just sit on the skillet and do its thing. And once it starts to brown, you're gonna be able to tell by the little crispy edges, right? The edges. And once you're done, you're gonna just flip it over and allow it to cook on the other side as well. Pretty much straightforward and simple. In the meanwhile, just take in the smell and the aroma and everything else. It just smells so refreshing. Imagine like walking into someone's home or even your own home. Forget about a candle. And you smell something like this. Oh my goodness. It just takes you to a whole nother dimension. Smell is amazing. All right, let me see what we have here. I'm gonna flip it over at this point. Okay. All right. And if I need to put it back, flip it over once more on the other side, I do the same thing. But for now, we're gonna flip it over. All right, look, see, perfecto, perfect, perfect. See the little crispy edges and everything is gonna come together really nicely. And like I said, once I'm done, I'm gonna show you how to make my delicious pecan praline sauce to top this off with. Oh my God, it's gonna be to die for, trust me. All right, guys, so we're gonna flip it over one more time just to make sure everything is good. I noticed the edges are a little bit soft, so I'm just gonna hold it like this and make sure the edges are cooked all the way through. Gotta do what you gotta do, right? It's all about cooking. If you notice your edges are a little bit moist or still wet, just flip it over carefully. Try not to burn your hands and just get those sides. But as far as everything else, everything looks great. So I am gonna turn this off, and start to plate. Yes. Take this one. It's all about arrangement. So let me see how I'm gonna do this. You know, I gotta be fancy. Let me see. Aye, so hot. All right, guys, so I'm gonna clean this stuff up and I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you how to make my, like I said, delicious decadent pecan praline sauce to drizzle onto our cinnamon, apple, pumpkin French toast, guys. All right, so now it's time to make our delicious pecan praline sauce, guys. What we're gonna need is some unsalted butter. We're gonna melt that up, or should I say melt it down. That butter is just melting. As well as our half and half. Well, actually heavy cream, guys. We're gonna add our heavy cream to the mixture. Give it a good stir. Combine the butter and the heavy cream. This is gonna be so rich and ooh-wee, so decadent. And to this bowl, I have some brown sugar as well as granulated sugar. And we're just gonna combine everything together. Bring everything to a boil, or should I say a simmer, and we're almost done. How quick and easy, right? Absolutely easy. Nothing too complicated. And the taste is gonna be so amazing. Get rid of this little bit of heavy cream out of there. Listen, heavy cream is expensive, all right? And besides, the flavor is, come on now, you gotta admit, the flavor is so delicious. Gotta get all that heavy cream up on out of there. Come on out. I know you can hear it. You hear the sizzle? Whatever you do, don't let this spill on you, because boy, oh my goodness, when this thing gets hot, it gets hot. Trust me. It becomes like a syrup, as you can see, right? And to this lovely sauce, I have some, let me show you guys. I have some toasted pecans that I just basically roughly chopped, placed it in the oven. I think I put it like at 375, 400. It was just basically to, you know, release the flavors from the pecans. Once you put the pecans in the oven, it tends to, like I said, make it taste even better. It just kind of toasts it, you know, you get what I'm saying. It toasts it and it gives it a better flavor. Flavor and scent. It's more fragrant. So I love to, whenever using pecans, I love to toast them in the oven first prior to using it. Guys, I'm telling you, if you make this, whether it be during the fall, Christmas, during the holidays, you're gonna get extra kisses, trust me. Because this right here is the bomb. Nice and thick. And as far as cooking, I don't really have to tell you like how long to cook it for. Once you see it starts to change in consistency, and it, like for instance, once you when you start adding everything, it's more loose, and then as the cooking process starts to proceed, it gets thicker and thicker. And basically, you turn the stove off once you've reached your desired, you know, desired consistency, right? That's it. I want it to be a little bit more thicker. Hi. And I think we are where we need to be. So I'm going to turn it off. This looks amazing. Alrighty. We have our pumpkin cinnamon apple French toast right here. And we are going to put our lovely sauce onto our, let's start from the back, onto our French toast. Just drizzle it on slowly. Let those pecans just sit wherever. Right? Now that's delicious. Hit it off with a little bit of confectioner's powdered sugar. And just for decoration, guys. Just for decoration. I don't think we're going to need any maple syrup for this one. I think it has enough sweet, enough sugar. What the heck? Why not add a little syrup, right? Might as well go all the way in. After all, it's full. How decadent, right? All right, guys, so now it's time for the fun part. All of that hard work, now it's time for me to do a taste test because, of course, the chef has to taste her own food, right? I wish I could share it with you guys, I swear. All right, let's dig in. Let's see what this pumpkin apple cinnamon French toast with praline sauce tastes like. Woo! Guys, guys, I have to be honest. This thing is so delicious. I am like at a loss for words. I'm not even like, I can't even like put my words together. It's absolutely delicious, guys. You guys definitely have to give this recipe a try. Like I said, with using the brioche bread, my goodness, it just takes French toast within itself to a whole different dimension, a whole different level. Not to mention the fact that it's apple cinnamon brioche bread, first of all. And with the whole pumpkin added to the custard, woo! Talk about delicious flavors, the pumpkin spice, everything is just coming through. The pumpkin spice, the vanilla, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, and not to mention the pecan praline sauce. What, with the heavy cream? Talk about decadent. I could like literally go on and on about this. Oh my goodness. This, I don't even know what to call it at this point, guys. I could go on and on about it, but it's just, you know, you guys have to try it for yourself. You got to go to, of course, cookingwithtammy.recipes. Give it a try. Doesn't take long. About what, 15, 20 minutes? It's better than going to, you know, I'm not going to call any names, and paying like literally $10.99 or $15 when you could literally buy the ingredients and make it yourself and eat as much as you want without paying any extra. As always, guys, I am your girl, Cooking with Tammy. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, and I will link everything in the description bar. And until next time, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This was a lot of fun. And once again, you got to give this recipe a try, guys. Pumpkin apple cinnamon pumpkin French toast with pecan praline. Delicious. Anyway, guys, until next time. Later.